All right, boys and girls, let's do some ellipses today. I want you to turn to your notes page in your booklet there, and we'll go ahead and get started. The first thing, I have all the answers written down already, so if you want to pause it, write them all down, and then we can talk about it. I'm going to go over step by step anyway, so however you want to do it, doesn't matter to me. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to kind of tackle this left-hand side. So we first want to figure out where the center of the whole thing is. So the center is at 2, -3, like I have written down right there. The next thing you might want to write down, I forgot about this, is that we have the two equations. So go ahead and pause it, and then I'll talk about it. This first one, this left one, should be the horizontal, and then this one is the vertical, okay? And so the only difference really is that the bigger number determines which way it's going. So if a squared is underneath x, it's going this way. If the a squared is underneath the y, it's going vertically, okay? Okay, so now that we have that, my h and my k, my center, just like our circle, is going to be x minus 2 and then y plus 3. It's kind of opposite. And then for my numbers underneath, it's just the distance. So from here to there, that's 8 units. So 8 squared, 64. From there down is 4 units. So 4 squared, 16. So, and then always, always, always equals 1. So we got that. We got all that figured out. And now it's just a matter of figuring out the major and minor vertices. Well, the major vertices are here and here. So we're just going to add this 8 units to that. So 8 plus 2 is 10. And then 2 minus 8 is -6. Boom, shakalaka. Going the other way, going here and here, those are the co-vertices, or the minor vertices, sometimes they'll be referred to. So the y's change. So I'm going to subtract 4 from here, and I'm going to add 4. So 1 plus, sorry, my bad, -3 plus 4 is 1, -3 minus 4 is -7. The last thing are these pesky little foci. And so what I have written down is c squared equals a squared minus b squared. And that's really the most important thing. So what we're going to do is subtract 64 minus 16. That gives me 48. Take the square root of 48, so that breaks down to 16 times 3. Square root of 16 is 4. So I get 4 root 3. Then I'm going to add 4 root 3 to my center x value because it is horizontal. So our foci are kind of like 2/3 of the way, kind of 3/5, somewhere around there, the way out. And that's kind of how ellipses are drawn to be 100% correct, is with two foci there. Okay, so that's that. The same kind of applies with the vertical. So if you want to kind of write that stuff down or kind of do it by yourself and then kind of check your work, that's all I did in class. So the center is at -4, 2. The major and minor axes are up here. Co-vertices or minor axes are there. Or sorry, vertices. What else we got? Our foci. Our foci, we're going to do 36 minus 9, which is 27. And so then the square root of 27 is 3 root 3. So we add that to the y values because it's vertical. Last thing, I guess I didn't talk about y, it's 36. Well, from our center, we go up 6, down 6. So 6 squared is 36. To right and to the left is 3 each. So 3 squared is 9. That's pretty much it. Good luck on your homework. See you tomorrow.